Welcome to our presentation on guidelines for writing high-quality, maintainable code. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, following these guidelines will help you write code that is easy to read, understand, and modify. Follow a consistent code style and formatting. This makes it easier for other developers to read and understand your code. Use a consistent indentation style, naming convention, and commenting style. Use meaningful variable and function names. This also makes it easier for others to understand your code. Avoid using short and cryptic names, and use descriptive names that accurately reflect the purpose of the variable or function. Break your code into small, reusable functions. This makes it easier to test and debug your code, and also makes it more flexible and reusable. Keep your functions small and focused on a single task. Write comments to explain what your code does, especially for complex or non-obvious parts of your code. Comments should be used to explain the purpose and functionality of your code, rather than describing the code itself. Use version control, such as Git, to track changes to your code over time. This allows you to easily roll back to a previous version of your code if needed, and also makes it easier to collaborate with other developers. Write tests to ensure your code behaves as expected and to catch bugs early. This will help you catch errors before they become a problem and will make it much easier to maintain your code over time. Keep your code simple and avoid using unnecessary features or libraries. Complex code is harder to understand, test, and maintain. Continuously refactor your code to keep it clean and efficient. As you learn more about your code, you may find ways to make it more efficient or easier to understand. Keep track of the performance of your code, so you can optimize it as needed. This will help you identify bottlenecks and other areas that may need optimization. Continuously learn and improve your coding skills. The software development industry is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest best practices and technologies. By following these guidelines, you can write code that is easy to read, understand, and modify. This will make it easier to maintain your code over time, and will also make it easier to collaborate with other developers. Remember to always keep learning and improving your coding skills, and you'll be well on your way to writing high-quality, maintainable code.